Hey, you. If you're watching this video right now, I need you to lock in. I need you to lock in, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, I need you to lock in for freaking 90 days. That's all you gotta do is lock in for 90 days. And please, 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 God's gonna change your life, bro. Lock in mentally, physically, and spiritually. God's gonna change your life. 90 days, man. Here's what I want y'all to do. If you're lost right now, bro, and you don't know what you wanna do, bro, I need you to lock in. Remove every single distraction you have. Any distraction, anything that's causing you to fail, remove it. Anything that's causing you to wake up late, remove it. Anything that's causing you, bro, to just feel sluggish, remove it. I don't care if it's food, remove that nasty food, bro. Start being a lot more healthier, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. When I was depressed, I had gained so much weight. I left YouTube. Y'all can see I left YouTube for a few years, 2-3 years. I just felt like I wasn't myself anymore. But as y'all can see now, you know what I mean? Now we getting back to it, you know what I'm saying? Now we getting back to it, man. Now the muscle finally coming back, man. The physique finally coming back because I locked in. And I told myself, bro, I'm not going to let my failures dictate who I'm going to be. I told myself I'm going to take 1 year to lock in and remove all negative people that's always subtracting from my life and I'm adding value to my life. I'm gonna let them go. I'm gonna let go any bad habits that set me back. I'm gonna let it go. I told myself that I'm gonna eat healthier. I told myself that I'm not gonna let my body go anymore. I told myself I'm not gonna watch my bank account going to negatives anymore. And I told myself I'm gonna start investing, saving, and making more money. Now, let's say if I was broke and I never had a mindset to always want to be better, right? Because here's the thing, nobody's going to come to save you. I promise you that nobody is going to come save you. I didn't grow up in a rich family. I didn't grow up with people that had money and that was just giving us money just for fun. I didn't grow up in that environment. Everything that I had to do, I had to work hard for it. There is days I would wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock, and my mom would ask me, where you going? I'm going to work. And she probably thought I was lying. Like, who works at 5 o'clock? Who? I was a general manager at 20 years old. Therefore, I wasn't the fastest, I wasn't the best. So I always had to be punctual in order for me to get a head start of a lot of the things. So therefore, I had to be up early, right? But here's the thing, y'all. 90-day run, lock in. All right? I need y'all to work on your mindset. Develop a new mindset. Get better mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. Get better, right? Read a lot more books. Eat healthier. Work out more. Get off social media. Not saying that you will never get on it. You can always get on it here and there, but don't make it a reason why it takes you a long time to get up in the morning. Don't make social media the reason why you become envious of other people that's living a fake life. Social media is not real. All right, it's just a highlight of people's best moments. All right, so everybody be seeing people on social media. Oh, this is what I want. I want to be just like this, bro. Those people that post all those nice things, I bet you and I guarantee you, bro, some of them are probably depressed. Some of them are probably not mentally stable. I promise you that, bro. So that's why, like, being on social media and like just like looking at other people, you know, post all these nice things, and next you know now you'll be envious of that, bro. Stop it. Stop it, bro. You need to lock in. I'm telling y'all, man, 90 days from now, I want y'all to come back to this video and be like, damn, I really made a choice to never want to be broke again. I really made a choice to start working out again, right? To start reading my books, my Bible, to start praying more, you know what I mean? To start waking up earlier, right? So that way you can win the day. If you wake up early, you're going to win the day because now you have a lot more hours ahead of you to do a lot of the things and get a lot of things done. Stop staying up late at night, bro. I promise you. Staying up late at night, whew, bro, when you stay past midnight, let me tell you what's going to happen. Your body automatically is going to feel even a lot more tired because you're being up for too long. So therefore, it feels tired. And I guarantee you, you're not just up at midnight doing anything. You're probably on your phone watching TV. And those things even make you even more tired. Because of that, you're going to sleep for even a longer period of time, right? Because your body feels tired. Versus sleeping on time or early to where you actually get to wake up early. And from there, you have the entire day to freaking work on your passion, your craft, the things that you love to do. So therefore, y'all, I promise you, I need y'all to lock in, y'all. I need y'all to start saving more money too. Lock in, y'all. Everybody that make a little bit of money, man, they always quick to spend it. Nah, man, like, I need y'all to start looking into investing y'all money. Even if it's $5 a week, $20 a week, $100 a week. Man, start looking into investing your money, bro. because it only takes 90 days to really change your life. I promise y'all that, man. It really just takes 90 days to change your life. In this video, I'm not really going to go into the details on what you're going to do, but I'm going to make this video to motivate you to lock in for 90 days. You know what you want to do, bro. I don't know, but you know what you want to do, and you even know what you got to do. So therefore, do it, bro. 90 days is all it's going to take you to do it. It's not going to take you no longer, bro. Just 90 days, bro. Shout out to my boy Mike right here, man. Yeah, you say always, bro. 90 days, Mike. Let's do it. All right. So please, man, I just want to let you know you did not find this video on accident. You didn't. I took a break from YouTube because I needed to lock in. All right. I didn't lock in for 90 days. I actually locked in for 365 days, y'all. I locked in for a whole year because I just had so much stuff, things that I wanted to accomplish, and I had to take that time in order for me to accomplish it. I had to remove myself from, negative people. I had to remove myself from people that did not add any value in my life. I just had to remove myself from negativity. Anything that's a liability has to go. Only invite assets in your life. Only put people with good hearts in your life. Only be around people with good intentions. That's going to help you grow. All right. Anybody that does not help you grow, I promise you, there are a waste of time. So here's the thing, man. I really appreciate y'all really taking the time to listen to me rant about y'all getting better in 90 days, because I believe you can do it. I really firmly believe y'all can do it. I promise y'all. I promise y'all you guys can really, if y'all lock in for 90 days, the sky is the limit. You know where you're gonna be if you don't lock in for 90 days. You already know, but then you don't know where you're gonna be if you lock in. So why not take the chance to actually lock in? Like, if I know, right, if I don't lock in, if I'm lazy, if I don't go to work, if I don't wake up early, if I don't do these things, I know I'm going to be broke, and I know I'm not going to be the best shape or the best mental state. So why don't I take the chance to actually lock in so I can see where my future self is going to be? Because it can only get better. If you lock in, it only gets better. You know what I mean? Like, you ain't never seen nobody, bro. If I'm shooting 1,000 shots, right? If I'm shooting 1,000 shots every day, I'm working on my jump shot every day. Boom. Every day I'm working on my jump shot every day. At one point, I'm going to get so good to where that was muscle memory, right? Because it only gets better. But if I don't, guess what? They pass me the ball, I'll probably have a 1% chance of making that shot because I don't work on it. So I already know the results. If I don't work on it, it's not going to work. So why not work on it? Right? So y'all get the point, man. 90-day run, man. Let's get on it, man. Let's get this money, man. Let's get connected to God even more. Let's work hard. Let's change our bodies. You know what I mean? Naturally, of course, hit the gym. Don't do anything that's gonna destroy everything about you, okay? So I really do appreciate y'all. So hopefully I can make a lot more videos like this where I connect with you guys and really motivate you guys to get better. Because me and my guys, man, we opened this restaurant. This is our restaurant. You see what I'm saying? And just glory to God, bro. All right, we locked in, we did it. Now we're here. Many more restaurants will be open in the next few years, hopefully. All right, I believe and I know it's gonna happen. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. It's your boy, Ron. I'm out. Woo!